Hello, I'm Brent Leday with Laitram Machinery. We're explaining the Laitram feed tank and bulk feed cooker with flips today. This is a large capacity tank which can hold several hundred pounds of product, peeled meat, headless shell on, or head on shell on peeled meat. It's equipped with this rearwards turning leveling device here, which prevents the product from building up behind the paddle and being damaged. As the product moves behind this wheel, it passes under the oscillating paddle, which distributes a thin layer of product on the belt. From there, the leveled product feeds into the cooker. The speed of this tank is matched to the cooker speed automatically with a gain factor that's adjustable. Basically what it does, for smaller shrimp with a faster cook time, this belt runs faster, delivering more product per hour to the cooker, proportional to the rate it's cooking at. This is typical belt loading for peeled meat. This cooker can easily cook every one of these shrimp individually because of the flips inside the cooker. As you'll see later, we'll open the doors and show you how the flips work. It'll reposition every one of these shrimp so there'll be no raw spots. This is proven technology that Laitram has used on peeled meat for more than 15 years. We never get a raw spot, and is heavily loaded, as you see here, even slightly more. The feed tank will automatically deliver this product to the cooker, go through the cooker, and everything comes out cooked exactly as desired, not overcooked, not undercooked, no raw spots. This will work for tail-on shrimp, peeled meat, peeled and deveined, head-on, shell-on headless, any type of shrimp. We're not in a production environment here, but I will catch a few of the sample shrimp as they're coming out now. We see the product coming out. Show you what the temperature is in Celsius degrees. We'll take one of the larger ones. We're looking for a 70 to 72 degree core temperature, and of course you can see we've achieved it there. Although we're doing limited volumes here, this cooker is entirely capable of cooking a full layer across the full width of the belt, and of course all of the product being fully cooked with no raw spots because of repositioning inside the cooker. Here we have a head-on application. This is a somewhat easier application because the shell doesn't tend to cause as much raw spots. However, with our cooker you can cook a very thick layer, probably heavier than what you see here. In the field we've done it as much as 2.5 to 3 inches thick. Less demanding application, however, it'll still come out uniformly cooked, uniform core temperatures, no problem. Here we see some of the product coming out, and again we'll check for the target core temperature. There should be 70 to 72 degrees, and again we have 72, 73 degrees. Probably would be right at 72 if it had fallen into the chill bath. Here's a detailed view of the inside of the cooker. It's showing the flip section. In a few moments you'll see some shrimp coming over the flip. The cooker's been turned off and it's in cleaning mode, so we can have a clear view with no steam of the inside of the cooker. Product can be loaded across the full width of the belt. Because this is a small test sample for demonstration purposes, we're explaining the concept here. But you see the tumbling, which will prevent raw spots between the product, and it cooks reliably, cooks peeled meat with no raw spots, uniform temperature because of forced convection and CoolSteam technology cooking.